Hi, I am Umesh and I'm looking for a position of data analyst. That is where I have created this video to showcase my skills in creating dashboards over Azure Databricks. So if a company, let's say an e-commerce company who wants to analyze what are their trends in terms of sales in different currencies, or they want to check on their revenues and they want to look into a particular product which gives them more revenue or which does not give them any revenue or is decreasing in terms of revenue. So based on these questions, I have created some charts and projects over here which would help any company to analyze and get more insights into their products and sales. So here we can see that we have created a line chart which displays a recovery in terms of sales for a product for a consecutive for a quarter between August and October. Similarly, the same thing has been displayed over here as a bar chart. So we have created similar projects across for practice where we can display the numericals in terms of number of customers, revenue, items sold, so on and so forth. Can showcase the details or the insights in terms of graphs over here. Like for example, here we are displaying the different payment methods being used across different part of the year and the total price. And here we display a donut chart where we clearly identify what products are being sold. We can also showcase different bar charts for the increase or decrease in franchises and also the revenues. Similarly, over here we can see uh, a particular dashboard being created for an amateur or or an enthusiast who wants to attend shootings or wants to watch actors who are being shot at different locations in New York. So this particular dashboard makes him, quickly identify what locations are being shot for a film or a web series or so on and so forth. Like for example, he could choose a genre here or a category over here, and based on that, he could see what location is it. He could also see who are the actors, and if he wants to go to that location and view them or meet them or take a look at the whole process of how a film is being shot. So this is the complete dashboard that we have created. So for this, just to give you a glimpse of it, we have created catalogs here, and these catalogs for the different projects that we have worked upon are split based on the medallion architecture. So you can see bronze, silver, and gold being mentioned here. So basically the data incrementally goes on being cleansed and further enhanced so that it could be used for BI and dashboard purposes. So this is what we have done. Just to give you a glimpse into the data. So if you look at this particular catalog over here in the gold data, what you see is a table being created and saved in Azure Databricks with all the columns which are defined with the data type that they hold, and based on the, let's say, cleansing mechanism, we have tried to ensure that no spaces, no additional spaces are mentioned. uh, if the column is alphanumeric, it should have that particular data type mentioned for it. If it is numeric, then there would be a different data type to it, like integer or double, and so on and so forth. So this is the data cleaning aspect of it. uh, so finally, these are the projects that I have worked upon. I'm pretty sure you would have liked them. Kindly request you to ensure that you give me a feedback on the video that I've created now. Thank you. Bye.